In this video, we will learn how to straight any object perfectly with the warp tool in Photoshop. I have already removed the background of this mug. Now click on the Edit menu. Click on Free Transform. Now click on the Warp tool. Then click on the Split the warp horizontally. Now click in the middle of the mug and take the first line. Click below the previous line of the mug and take the second line. Hold down the Shift key on the keyboard and select between the two lines. Now pull the mug upward. So you can see that the mug is perfectly straight. Thanks for watching the video.